good morning, good noon, good afternoon, welcome back to Doppler Show. And today we will have an unleashing, but it's a different unleashing because we don't need to open it. So it's just like I will introduce to you to the kit because yeah, I can't unbox and try this with one go, but I would really like to have it one go. Okay, and yeah, this is a very nice kit right here, and this is not a Gunpla, okay? This is a Gunpla. This is a Beyblade X, and yeah, I would like to have a teaser. Yo, it's big, man, and it's a little bit pricey, but I like this one because I bought this on the Toy Express, or is Toy Express, is it a Toys R Us? Yeah, in Bacolod. Yep. And no, it's in Bacolod, but it's on, I think it's Toy Kingdom maybe, because I bought this on SM. Yeah, but it's on SM, and yeah, I really like this because I will now have additional four Beyblades in a price of 1,999. So if we divide that, it's only 500 pesos each, but it has a trick or a perks and cons, because yeah, I will just unleash to you or introduce to you this kit so that you will understand why. So this is your Beyblade X UX10 customized set, and the main Beyblade right here is your Nightmare. Am I right? Nightmare? Yeah, Nightmare. Yeah, really like that. And now we will talk about why it has pros, perks, and then it has its cons, advantage and disadvantage. So the first advantage right here is that you will have 4 blades. Your Nightmare, your Terra. What are you? What is the name of this one? I forgot, man. Who are you? Who are you? Yeah, I forgot. But it's like a pterodactyl, a Tyrannobeat, which I still don't have a Tyrannobeat original Takaratomi, and then a blue Hell's Hammer or Hammer Incendio in Hasbro. Yeah, so the first positive right here, and then the second one is it has 6. Okay, 6, but actually the things that you can really just use for this one is 4, because this bit right here, this metal needle, is always been banned on different competitions. But I know I use this one. That's it. Oh, I can use this because I have a Banky sticker right there, because I bought it in SM, so it's from Banky. We cannot use that, yeah, this one, because it damages some stadiums. Okay, so we have here, I don't know, who are you, what are you, what is that? BS ball, BS. I can't really memorize the codes of our beat because it's very different, man. BS, it's called BS. It's BS ball, spear, ball, yeah. As I know, this one rubber axle, am I right? This one, the blue one, is point. The white is ball. The red one is rash, and the green is your metal needle. Yeah, and then it's ratchet. Yeah, here we go. Here's the disadvantage part, because you have 4 blades, but you only have 3 ratchets. But if you have some extra ratchets, or you can even use other ratchets of other Beyblades in order to have a combination, because it's called customized set. So you can customize different parts right here. But if you go with the Nightmare setup, you should have a Nightmare blade, 385. Oh, it's very high, man. A 385 ratchet, and use the BS bit. Yeah, right there. There is. And then here, the 3 remaining blades, the Terra, I think it's called Terra Wing, and then the Tyrannobeat and the Hell's Hammer. You can choose either of the remaining 2 ratchets, which is the 160 and the 770. So if you go with the colors, it's really nice to see if the Tyranno beat will have the 770 Ratchet, which is the red one, and the Rush. Because yeah, it's all red. It's very nice. And then for the yellow one, which is I think it's called Terrawing. Yeah, I'm just making it up because I just forgot the name. Okay, the Terrawing, and then you have the 160, and I think the most likely to go with it is the white one, the ball one. Yeah, so that's it. That's the combination that I want. For the Hellshammer, I think we'll go with the 770. I think it's not good for Hellshammer to have a 160. I will go with 770, and to have more power and also stamina, because we can have a more stamina with the Hellshammer. I will go with the point. Yeah, I'll go with the point with that. So other parts like this one, you can use this with other Beyblades. Yeah, and I think this one I also want to have this with the I forgot that thing. Whale Wave? Yeah, I think that's a Whale Wave. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's our unleashing for today, but we don't unleash it because it's on a plastic, and I just get out this on a plastic and I forgot where's the plastic. So I cannot remake it when it's on its pouch or a plastic bag. Yeah. So, but still, we will have a an unboxing, a spin test, and test battles. Let's have a battle with them. And yo, the red Tyranno beat and the Hellshammer blue will chip its paints. Yeah, we can avoid that. We will really go through that because that's why they are made. They need to clash each other. Okay? So yeah, so much for that. That is our unleashing of our Beyblade XUX10 customized set. And the main Beyblade for this one is our Nightmare. Okay? So for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification button for our next video. Okay? That's it for now. Thank you so much. So, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gumbo Show signing off. That's it. Thank you, and peace out. Bye. 3, 2, 1, go shoot.